Mrs. Scott and Mrs. Wilson's class, your job today is to make an onomatopoeia explain everything. So what I'd like you to do is on the home screen, click the plus sign and create a template using the black background. Once you get there and you have a blank screen, you can use the pencil tool with the colors at the bottom, and you can write your names. You can use the shape tool. I'm going to click a star and click the yellow and add some stars in the sky. You could also use the shape tool to add a pumpkin or a moon. I'm going to click and hold on the shape tool and get a circle and add a moon in the corner. When you have it done, you can double click on a shape and you can even make it bigger or move it. Then you're going to click on a text box, if you'd like, the A, and then click anywhere on the screen and you can create words. You could type words if you want. I have created a text box with onomatopoeia in it. Once you're done, you can move the words around or the text around. The last thing we're going to put on the screen, I'm going to click on the piece of paper and pencil and go into existing photo, go into the drop box of Mrs. Scott's in a folder of onomatopoeia and pick out a picture. Before you click done, use the lasso tool to cut it out and then click done. It will come on your screen and then you can size it with your 2 fingers, make it rotate and zoom and fly. Do that for at least 2 characters. One will be the 1st or 2nd grader, one will be the 5th grader. Once you have your screen all like you like it, then you are going to click the record button at the bottom. Remember to have your screen set exactly as you want it before you record your voices. Whoosh goes the witch as she zooms through and says, Mrs. Wilson and Mrs. Scott's class created an onomatopoeia. The owl hooted as he flew through the sky. Plop, 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 plop went the candy corn as it rolled across the ground. Those are my onomatopoeias. What can you create? When you are done, click the movie clip in the bottom right. Whiz, says the owl as he's flying through the sky and wants to tell you how to save your project. Once you have the recording and you've played it back and you like it, look for the movie clip at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click that, you're going to click on Dropbox and pick Mrs. Scott's onomatopoeia folder. And then you want to save it out at the top. It'll say video file, and that's what you want to save it as. And then you click export in the upper right. And it will go through the whole process. Let it do its thing. If it asks you to name it, give it both your names in the title. Congratulations! You've done your first Explain Everything movie with your buddy class.